Welcome to latest update program. The topic of discussion is first AI laboratory in space. The Indian Space Research Organization is set to launch India's first artificial intelligence laboratory into space abroad, the PSLV XL rocket. The mission named Proba 3 will also carry the My Orbital Infrastructure technology demonstrator developed by Hyderabad-based Take Me to Space. Scheduled for 4th December, the mission aims to enable real-time data processing in orbit, marking a significant step in space research. This AI lab will help address the challenge of transmitting large amounts of satellite data to Earth, which is currently inefficient. Drishti IAS is excited to announce its first offline batch of IAS GS Foundation Prelims Plus Mains course at Noida Center. Hindi medium batch will start on 9th December at 11:30 am and English medium batch will start from 12th December at 6 pm. For more details, call us on 9311-406-440 or visit us at C171/2 Block A, Sector 15, Noida, UP. Near Metro Station Noida, Sector 15. So hurry, book your seats now. Now moving on to details of the mission. The mission will be launched aboard the Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle rocket. The main goal is to revolutionize space research by allowing data processing directly in space, reducing dependency on Earth-based data processing. The mission is a collaboration with InSpace, a government agency supporting private sector initiatives in space. The MOITD platform will test critical components of the AI lab, including control software and hardware necessary for space operations. Now let's discuss about impact on space research and technology. The launch marks a new chapter in space technology, enabling more advanced space missions with reduced communication delays. The ability to process data in space could pave the way for more autonomous space systems, which could be crucial for future deep space exploration. The success of this mission could help India lead in space technology, particularly in AI-driven space research, and foster further collaboration with private space firms. Now is the time for practice question. What is the name of the AI lab to be launched by ISRO? My Orbital Infrastructure, MOITD, Proba 3 or Take Me to Space? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.